Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2016 Prime Time Crusader 337QBH Quad Slide Bunkhouse fifth wheel. Go ahead and get started up on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 37 feet 9 inches, and overall height to the dual AC units on this coach 12 feet 9 inches, and the dry weight or empty weight is 10,631 pounds. And the only reason why I know that is the little telltale sticker on the inside door frame there. Dry weight 10,631 pounds. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. This is a second owner coach. I know the current owner. I've known him for years. He just likes to buy toys and he keeps them for a while and then he calls me up and sells them. So he always buys really nice stuff. Alright, you got an idea. Let's go ahead and get started in the rear and then work our way forward. It's going to be the bunkhouse bedroom here in the rear. Basically a 2-bedroom fifth wheel. First slide out. It's going to accommodate the bunk beds here and the sleeper sofa. And this bunk bed does lift up and locks away, and so you can watch TV without hitting your head on this. And show off that sofa is going to be ultra leather, easy to fold out. You can definitely sleep. Definitely 2 grown adults on this slide out, or 3 or 4 kiddos. And across from the slide out, the first slide out is going to be entertainment center area here and a loft bed above the entertainment center. Nice ladder that pulls out. Climb up on the loft bed and nice storage. Pretty much it's like a game room. And ducted AC, ducted heat all throughout. And your heat's going to be 35,000 BTU ducted heat. And your AC on this is going to be 2 ACs. The first one's going to be a 15,000 BTU quiet cool AC unit, which is the quietest in the industry. Basically, you don't have the traditional AC return here, which is really loud when it's on. Now, you've got a residential style return here, residential style return, air return there. So it's the quietest AC unit in the industry. Definitely. They should have done that a long time ago. Pretty much the same kind of AC unit that they're putting on the real high-end coaches, motorhomes. So pretty neat. This is going to be your, let's start here in the living room. It's going to be your second slide out, super slide. It's definitely 12 foot long at least and 3 foot deep. Accommodates the reclining theater seating option. And I do believe that was an option, the ultra leather finish. And the color is going to be brown, and everything is pretty much excellent condition. 1 through 10, 10 being the best as far as condition. This coach, I'm evaluating it at 10. I think it's clean, very clean, and I think any dealer would agree. Also in the super slide is the boot dinette, ultra leather fabrics, easy to clean, and cloth there. It's got some bronze, some silvers, some tans, some browns. And the table does collapse down. And this booth, definitely you can sleep 2 kiddos or 1 grown adult easily on that. Storage up underneath each booth. And you do have night shades all throughout. Alright. Oh, you do have also storage there. Nice closets space. Okay, it's going to be a third slide out. Accommodates the entertainment center and the kitchen. And the entertainment center, you do have a 60-inch Samsung TV. I believe it's 60 inches, and it's full swiveling, and you can pivot it and do all sorts of crazy stuff with it. DVD player up underneath. Nice sound bar. Fireplace and space heater. Nice pantry. Huge pantry, by the way. Microwave. This coach has not been detailed, so the fingerprints all over it. I kind of put a rush job on it with the owner to get it on the market. 3-burner gas cooktop. Front burner is going to be usually a high output. Glass lid for more counter space. Marble Korean style countertops all throughout. Not that Formica stuff or wrapped stuff. So definitely a lot of residential features. Nice backsplash. Looks like tile. And your island kitchen feature here. 110 outlets, by the way, on each side. Again, Korean style countertops, solid surface, Nice deep double bowl under-mounted stainless steel sink. Mullen style sprayer faucet. Let's back up here, show off that storage on the island kitchen feature, and again 110 outlets on the other side. Back up here, I do want to point out also in the super slide here, 8 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator. There's your Norcold badge there. Automatic, full gas, electric, and a couple hours later, turn it on, a couple hours later you're ready to go. It does have the nice beautiful wood finish on the front, and I believe this wood on all the cabinets are all going to be maybe a cherry. And it's going to be your hutch area here. Show that off, tinted glass. I guess that's a wine holder there. Again, there's your kind of a tile backsplash. And again, solid surface countertops. And this is going to be your monitor panel. It's going to be where you're going to show you where you're on your black tank, your toilet tanks, or your gray tank, or your sink and shower, your freshwater tank, and let's see here, LP gas electric direct spark ignition water heater, 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. I believe it's got a recovery mode, can I think heat up 18 gallons within an hour. There's going to be your light switches here, interior light, awning light, water pump, button for your slide out here, button for your first awning, button for your second awning here, and power roof vents on this coach. Another slide out button, and it's probably going to be a light for your second awning. Okay, walk up in the side aisle hallway, and this is a full walk-through bath. Show it out there. You can walk through into the master bedroom through there. Foot flush porcelain toilet, glass enclosed shower with skylight, and nice medicine cabinet and vanity area here. And you're ducted all the way through with AC and heat again. Walk in, oh, I do want to point out, nice solid wood pocket door for privacy going into the master bedroom. This is going to be your fourth slide out. It's going to be all closets. And going into the master bedroom, full queen bed. Queen bed does lift up. Lots of storage up underneath. Storage on each side of the bed, and plug-in outlets. And you do have a pocket door for privacy going into the side hallway from the master bedroom. And you are prepped for second AC if you want to, I'm sorry, prepped for a TV right here. You've got that option. And this is going to be your second AC, probably a 13,500 BTU AC unit. And your heat on this coach, the furnace is going to be a 35,000 BTU furnace, if I didn't point that out already. It's going to be a thermostat control here. Button for your slide out, probably bedroom slide out button there. And give you one last look at the floor plan. And we are going to go outside. Construction on this coach is a full aluminum frame construction. It does have the HD Max fiberglass gel coat finish. The HD Max basically looks like a full body paint. The color is going to be like a taupe or a real light tan color. Looks like full body paint, and it's real easy to clean, that gel coat. And show off the front there, front nose, beautiful front nose, more aerodynamic for turning radius, and there's your Crusader badge there. Outside, decals, everything. This coach is showroom, it really is. And before I back up, let's show off. It's going to be your 30-pound LP tank. You've got another one on the opposite side that I'll try to show you. Your slam latch baggage doors with magnets to hold up. Pretty cool. And there's your storage. Aluminum frame construction right there. And this does have the extreme thermal package. There's your foil. R52 in the floor and R52 in the roof. So you can go into really cold weather or really hot weather. There's your grill for your grill on the back, and I'll show that to you here shortly. Insulated slam latch baggage doors, gotta love them. And you do have full entertainment package on this with exterior speakers, beautiful LED lights on both your awnings. And awnings are a little dirty. Owners have not had a chance to clean them. Probably clean them with a little bleach and some cleaner called Awesome. Do 50-50 and spot clean it and then rinse it off real good. Should clean up real good. Back up here, show off that That dual awning package. This thing has full awning package, full slide out awning package. There's your dual AC units on top there. And all your awnings are full adjusting. Nice frameless bus style windows, tinted windows, 80% tint I believe. Nice clean look, easier to clean. At least again, they should have been doing that a long time ago. Shop those windows there. You do have the large 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels. I try to show more of that on the back side. Outside kitchen feature. It's going to be a 2-burner gas cooktop here. And nice rock finish on your cabinet here. Nice dorm style fridge, probably a 3 or 4 cubic foot dorm style fridge. Nice kitchen storage there and nice light. And this door is gas assist strut, so it's easy to close. There we go. I do want to point out it does have the full 4-point auto leveling system on it. There's 2 of your jacks there. I'll show that when we get on the back side. Look at that. Back front side there, show that off. I did check for water damage, which is and delamination, which is water damage. I did not find any issues inside or out. Anything that may be a concern, I try to point it out and look for it, but I really couldn't find anything. So it's a clean coach. Spare tire on the rear, ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof there. There's where your grill goes, the swing out arm on the bumper. Nice heavy-duty manual stabilizer jacks. Those are the ones you want. Show off that enclosed heated underbelly. Holding tanks and gate valves are all protected from the elements, so you don't have to worry about your tanks freezing up or even your gate valves freezing up in extreme weather. So, and here's your, show off those beautiful aluminum 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Tires are all in excellent condition. The little things, some duct tape was put right here, little goof off. I'll tell the owner, a little goof off, should clean it up real good. 50 amp service, marine style cord, unplugs, rolls up, stows away nice and clean. Furnace exhaust here, 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater there with, I believe, the quick recovery mode. I'm one-handed, let's see if we can, there we go. Again, insulated baggage door. This is going to be your water works area here. And you can, nice winterizing hose here. You're all set up for winterizing. Flip switch here, hit your water heater bypass, you're ready to go to winterize. Black tank sewer flush, cleans out your toilet tank, outside shower there. And then satellite hookup, city water fill, or hookup, and there's your gravity water fill for your freshwater tank. And nice service light. And there's your gate valves, they're all enclosed and protected. There's your button for your 4-point auto leveling. And again, that's all your aluminum framing. Alright. Slam latch baggage doors. That's going to be your second 30-pound LP tank. They do that on each side, usually to balance out the weight. Back up here, let's show off that back side. It's a beautiful camper. I think any dealer would agree with me on my rating on this coach. It's excellent condition. Oh, this is set up with the Gooseneck Adapter, and the owner can easily take this off. But a lot of farmers and stuff use that Gooseneck Adapter for pulling, but you can easily take it off for your traditional fifth wheel hookup. And a beautiful front cap. Oh, and you do have storage up underneath there. Alright. I know I didn't get everything. I'm trying to keep my videos down under 15 minutes, but anyway, there it is. If you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.